I am from class 7 and I hope you all are fine. So today I am telling about this beautiful place Bageshwar. So first of all you can see that Bageshwar is the very beautiful place. The view is very nice and you can see that the river is very dirty also because of the rain. So you can see there is a one building which is Vikas Bhavan and the view is very nice. So Bageshwar is a district of Uttarakhand state in northern India. The town of Bageshwar is the district headquarters. Previous to its establishment as a district in 1997, it was a part of Almora district. So Bageshwar is situated at the confluence of rivers Saryu and Gomti. Bageshwar is known for its scenic environment, rivers, glaciers and temples. So the famous temple of Bageshwar is the Bagnath temple. According to Hindu scriptures, that Bagnath temple is the site where sage Markandeya worshipped Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva blessed sage Markandeya by visiting here in the form of tiger. So Bageshwar is named after the famous Bagnath temple in the region. Now on the way to Chandika temple. Here is the Karyalaya Varisht Koshadhikari Bageshwar and this is the DM office. There are many paintings. So this is the SP residence and this is command house. You can see at the top of the hill there is the district court. There is the court of Bageshwar and all these courts are at the top of the hill, and that behind you can see there is a temple which is of Lord Kali. So now we are going ahead and I will also tell you about Ma Chandika. Temple, and this temple is dedicated to goddesses Chandika, which stands half a kilometer away from Bageshwar, and every year this temple bustles with many activities because for the deity, devotees congregate to offer pujas to the deity during Navratris. So this temple is built in 1680. So this temple built in 1680 by Sri Acharya Pandit Ram Pandey ji. You can see how many people which come for puja. temple is very beautiful and here are many bells you can see. So this building is based in Uttarakhand culture. These ladies are celebrating Harila. So you can see these ladies have pots in their hands. And now we are going downstairs. So you can see the view is very beautiful, and you can see there is one ground which is Numaish Khet where Uttaraini fair is held. This Uttaraini fair is a very big fair. This Uttaraini fair is a very big fair where many rides, shops and programs are held, and there is a river which is called Saryu, and many holy dips are taken in this river. And this festival is also called Kale Kaua in Kumaon. So this festival is very famous among the Bageshwar, and many tourists come here to visit. So in 1913, a bridge known as Jhula Bridge is formed for people to cross the river Saryu, and in 1970 a bridge called Motor Pul is formed for heavy loads, cars, buses, trucks, etc. And this pull is now known as Saryu Pul. So you can see here is the statue of Lord Shiva. So you can see at the top of the hill there is Nileshwar Mahadev temple. Nileshwar Mahadev temple is located at a high point of Bageshwar district, Uttarakhand, India. Soon after 200 meters separate a staircase being towards the sacred Nileshwar Mahadev temple to reach the said temple. As the temple is located at a high point, a devotee can also witness a breathtaking look of entire town of Bageshwar. The temple is encompassed by sanctums like Bhuleshwar Shrine. Chandigarh temple can likewise be seen from here, and amidst the valley for trekking like Kintari Glacier, and Sundardunga glaciers. So you have to love the nature and respect the outdoors. So while you visit the Bageshwar, so don't quench your wanderlust. So this is Mandal Sera, and that you can see there is one very big ground. So that is the degree college ground, and here is river flowing, and it is very dirty because of the rain. Now we are going to Saryu Pul, which is in Nagnath Mandir, and you can see this is Jhula Bridge, which I told you, and from which we are crossing that bridge, that is Motor Pul or Saryu Pul. You can see the rain has come.